Hi everyone! Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. In today's episode, I am going to figure out what kind of accent I have. I always thought I had just a generic or general American accent, but I discovered this website called boldvoice.com/accent oracle, and it might tell me that I have a different accent. I was born in Korea. I came to Baltimore, Maryland when I was 1, and since I've been living in LA since 2009, my accent has evolved to be more of a generic sound, but I used to have a not cute Baltimore accent. So I'll give you some examples of what sounds different with the Baltimore accent. For example, phone, like phone, is phone. Gas, like the gas you put in your car, is gas. On, like I'm on the chair, is on. So I'm on the chair. What else? Water, like drinking the water, is water. I'm drinking the water. Wash, like washing your hands, is wash. So this one sentence in particular is a great example of using different Baltimore accents. Go wash your hands in the water, hun. If you're learning English, you probably had no idea what I just said. I said, go wash your hands in the water, hun. Hun is short for honey, and in Baltimore, they say hun a lot. So, I am going to go through this website. We're gonna do it together, meaning I will read the sentence prompts and you can follow along in the caption below. So here we go. Last year, I started learning how to play chess. It's been challenging to master all the strategies, but I've enjoyed the process. It's a great way to exercise my mind and improve my critical thinking skills. I just clicked done, and now it's loading. And the oracle, which is like the AI, says that my accent is unique and they need to hear more from me. So here's the next sentence. Let's read together. The daughter is cooking another healthy dinner at home, chopping veggies like she's on a timer. The pan sizzles, the room smells great, but the counter is a disaster. No one dares grab a plate yet. Done. All right, it's loading. Oh, okay, this, oh, that's crazy. That's crazy, okay. It says, I obviously have an American accent, but it says English. You sound like a native English speaker, whether from the US, UK, Canada, Australia, or elsewhere. I couldn't identify any distinct non-native accent. Okay, but it says, here's everything I detected in your voice. English, 56%. What do you think the remaining 36% is? I'll give you a clue. There's two other accents that it's detecting, and one is my native and one is not my native. Okay, I'll tell you. 21% Korean. I don't think I have any bit of a Korean accent. Do you? If I do, cool, but I really didn't think so. 15% You're gonna die when you hear this. Spanish. How? I mean, yeah, how? I took Spanish for 6 years in high school and middle school. So, but I had an American accent when I was speaking Spanish. I don't know. Anyway, I would love for you to try this website and leave a comment to let me know what it told you. So again, the website is boldvoice.com/accent-oracle. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope this was a fun little exercise that we did together, and catch me on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please share with your friends. Thank you, bye.